Alright guys, we got the diff done, and now I'm under the left hand wheel bearing on the back. This bearing wasn't too bad either, it had no play, but you can see the seal looks shitty, and the hub. If you look at the hub here, you can see all these grooves. That's from dirt getting between the seal and the hub, or the bearing being gone and the weight going against the seal. Anyways, it's pretty important if they're like that to change them, because if you just do your diff bearings and your reel bearings all the time, it's probably because of that. Water gets in there, sits up against the next seal, and so on. We're going to pop this seal out. There's a wheel bearing there. It's a new seal there. That's that.